Hello friends, I am Om Prakash Trivedi and I am going to start Unit 3 Data Management. This unit is very easy and very important to your project work as well as your upcoming PA1 exam. Let's start. What is database? Database is nothing but a collection of information. Database is a collection of one or more files for the future reference of your data. Second thing is, it is a program which is used to retrieving data, storing the information, modifying the information and deletion of information. Now we discuss the most important term, DBMS. The full form of DBMS is Database Management System. It is a software. And next is a DBMS is a collection of interrelated data and a set of programs to access their data. Now we discuss on different types of DBMS technologies or model. There are some important model or DBMS technologies. First is hierarchical DBMS, second is network DBMS, and third is RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. Now we discuss all models step by step. First is hierarchical model, HDBMS. It is represented in inverted tree model. Inverted tree model and its disadvantages are: first, there is a data redundancy, and second, it will not support many-to-many relationship. Many-to-many relationship and other relationship we will discuss later. And now, second model is Network Database Management System or NDBMS. In this network model, relations are established by using physical links. Note, there are programs which are developed in C language by using pointer, and its disadvantages is it is depends on C language for just making a relationship, and second, there is no guarantee for data at the time of import and export the data from one database to another if data is very huge. The next data model is Relational DBMS or RDBMS. The full form of RDBMS is Relational Database Management System. Dr. E.F. Code published this technology which supports published this technology in 1970 with IBM Corporation. According to E.F. Code, this technology will support less than 6 chord rules called as DBMS technology. Example: FoxPro, Oracle, MS SQL Server, etc. The technology, remember the technology will support equal to 6 chord rule. The technology is called semi RDBMS technology. Example: MS Access 2000. And the technologies support more than 6 chord rules called RDBMS technology. Example: Oracle, MS SQL Server, Sybase, MySQL, etc. Now we discuss the basic concept of relational model. First is collection of objects. Second is data integrity for accuracy and consistency. Third, it has a logical representation in a form of table. Fourth, intersection of column and row gives a single value. It is called as cell. Fifth, no data redundancy. Sixth, relations are maintained logically. Seventh, there is no physical link. Eighth, it will support a null value. Ninth, it supports integrity constraint like primary key, foreign key, alternate key, etc. And 10th, it will support the concurrent user. 11th, there is no compatibility problem.